Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to back up your Zoho Mail. Now once you have launched up Zoho Mail, what I need you to do is click on this gear cog right here. This will lead you to your settings. And now, once this opens up, I want you to go ahead and scroll down until you find this import/export emails. Go ahead and click on this one. And what we're going to do, guys, we are going to click on export as EML. Now you need to select the folders. Okay, I'll select inbox, the export date. So you can do, all the emails in that folder, for example, can include the subfolders as well. Or if you want to do a specific date, so let's say every single month you do your export, you can select last month. Okay, but I suggest just export everything and then click on export as EML, and the zip file will be sent to your email, and you can download this within the next 30 days. So just go ahead and click on that. Now we can close this and wait for the email. And once we receive that email, go ahead and download it, the file. Okay. And there you go. I have just received this email. Okay. And all you need to do is click on show zip links. It'll open this up in a new tab. And we can go ahead and download this. Just click on this icon right here and you'll be downloading the zipped file. And it's really that easy and simple. And at any time you can come and import this by coming here, import from EML, go ahead and paste in that zip file, okay? And select where you want to import this for, and then click on import. And there you go, guys. It's really that easy and simple.